Why is the back so small?
It looks big to me.
Like I said, my knees are right up on the thing.
Well, I think that's because that seat was so far back.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
So we inside what is this, babe? A 2024
3500.
3500 Ram.
Yeah.
It has, let's see what this is. Yeah, it only has 14,000 miles, but I don't like this, babe.
It's
Hold on,
cheesy.
yeah, this looks like when we first got into this vehicle, I was like, babe, this is old. You know, and I was like, yeah, but then I looked at the thing. Even look at the four-wheel drive thing. Now, I don't know what I'm looking at because I've never been in a 350 before.
Yeah.
A 3500. But it's not even knob. It's fully shifting the transmission to four-wheel drive and all of that. So, what do you think?
This is my favorite part right here.
Yeah. So, yeah, we was noticing
Yeah.
that.
We really like this middle seat.
Because it turns into a seat. It
Yeah.
originally was.
It's originally
cup
like
holder.
storage,
Mm-hmm.
but then you can also flip it up.
Yeah, because
And-
Deborah would be sitting.
Yeah,
over
I
here
would be
all the
sitting over
time.
there all the time.
Yeah, we always together
Yeah.
like this.
Always.
So tell them why we looking at trucks, babe.
Well, you know, we have the Hershey RV show coming up, and we're possibly going to invest in getting a what is it called? A pull along?
Yeah,
What
travel
are they
trailer.
called? A travel trailer.
Yeah, he's sitting next to me, babe, in the new seat.
Okay. Yeah. Let me unbuckle it so it doesn't hurt me.
Oh man. I like when you can put the seat down. We'll keep this G-rated, so if you know what I'm talking about, like when it's. Anyway,
But-
let's keep it moving
But
on. What?
now I do notice that I'm setting
This-
up way higher than
Are
you.
you? Why? I
Because
think I'm
this
slouched.
is-
I'm slouched.
Are you?
Yeah.
And also, I don't know where to put my feet.
All right, so get back in the shot.
Oh, I am. I have to move the waters. Oh. Thank you. I'm hot.
Yeah, got to keep the doors kind of cracked because it's warm. So we have CarMax. We love the van, and we are just inquiring.
Yes.
Is that the right word? Maybe. Trying to maybe price out maybe us getting a travel trailer or a fifth wheel. Don't know if we're gonna do that. Just kind of looking.
Yep.
Yeah.
And
So,
so we're preparing.
mhm.
We're
Yeah,
seeing,
preparing,
okay,
Yes.
what truck is the best. He
Mhm.
had a truck in the past.
I had a
Um,
GMC Sierra SLT. So
Yeah.
we came to CarMax and I just wanted to look at some Dodge Rams and some,
Yeah.
what was the other one? Ford
Ford.
250s.
Mm-hmm.
But guess what? So a little disappointed. He told us as we
Yeah.
walked in, they got no 250s or 2500 Rams on the lot. We would have to ship it in from another CarMax. So.
Yeah.
Oh, so I was wanting to look at some and maybe, now I don't know if I would have shipped it in. Just get a feel of, okay, this is the vehicle that I want to buy.
Yeah.
If I were to buy it, and then we go to the RV show and look at some
Some trailers
travel trailers.
to
So
see.
there's not much of a video that I can show here, but we are in the 3500
A 3500,
Ram. It's got the
yes.
dualies in the back. Not interested in this. We know
Yeah.
we don't want a huge RV.
No.
We don't want a huge travel trailer or a huge fifth wheel.
No.
It's something that basically a 250 can hold.
Can hold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we wouldn't get anything more than what that can hold. So that's what we wanted to look
Yeah.
at. And didn't want to pay a bunch of money either. Now this one though, we'll talk about this one real quick. It's a
Yeah.
3500. It's only 58,000.
58,000
It's
for
weird
this
because I
one.
bought my 1500.
Yeah,
It was
it was
around
like-
the C era, the CVID era, and it was. I think I paid almost 60,000 for basically 150.
Yeah.
So, but it was nice, and it was a double cab. No, I paid 50,000.
I thought it was 70.
50. No, the originally new it was.
Oh,
I paid
okay.
50. It was used. and it was nice, and I ran that for a little bit. So I don't need to see those. It'll be a bigger truck, but I drove the GMC Sierra 2500
Already.
would be exactly the same thing.
Yeah.
With a bigger motor and suspensions and all that stuff. So anyway, so here we are in the 350.
350.
And if the other Rams, I don't think they look like this. So
This
all
one,
is-
it looks generic to me.
yeah, it looks
and
very generic, very
I don't
dated.
like this.
Right here.
There's no bells and whistles.
Yeah, no bells and whistles, and I
Just-
like bells and whistles.
Yeah, this
Trailer
is
brake,
yeah.
right?
Ah, there's a bee out there.
Where? Oh, I thought
What
it was
is
in
that?
here. Oh yeah.
Look, see? Why do they follow us?
We're not even camping. We're not even camping, babe.
I know.
You're
What in
bringing
the
it with
world?
Hey, now what is this? You think?
Those are those buttons.
We should
Probably for the lift the
I don't know if it does
toe
that.
thing and then let down the toe
I don't
thing.
think it do that, babe.
Oh.
Radio,
Yeah.
nothing really to show here. Let's look at the back.
Watch out for the bug.
Okay. The window back here is tinted. It's nice and roomy back here.
It is.
I thought you was getting
Good.
out too big.
Oh, I am.
Actually, you know what? It's not as roomy as
I'm
I
gonna
thought
get
it
out.
would be. You can
Good
see my
storage.
knees. Look at I can't really put my phone in between the knees and the back seat here.
Oh, you can't?
No. So
Well, that's because this seat looks like it's way far
yeah, but
back.
I was comfortable. This would have probably been my position.
Oh,
Anyway, this is not
not what
the,
you expected?
Yes, this is not what I expected for this 3500 here. And you can see Ram 3500.
Woo!
It's got the dualies. It's all set up for a fifth wheel trailer. I guess you need an extension, a piece,
Yeah.
so it comes down. I think I actually like these than the actual fifth wheel. Somebody comment below which one is better, because I don't know, but I think I like these better. And yeah, it's all set up for that. Look how big this babe. This is a big bed.
Yeah.
So why is the back so small?
It looks big to me.
Like I said, my knees are right up on the thing.
Well, I think that's because that seat was so far back.
All right, so, and here's the rest of the lot. So he said there was no 350s on the lot, or 250s or 350s, and this one is here, but it's probably sold. He said if
Yeah.
there is one over here, it's sold.
Here's
And
a
these are,
250 right
Yeah,
here.
here's a 250.
That's probably sold.
Yeah, he said we can scan this. Oh, this is not even. It's a single cab.
Oh. Then that's a no.
Right.
That's just an automatic no. Can't even do anything with that.
No, and we need
Storage.
yeah, the back seat is not like someone would be riding back there.
No.
But it would be like storage. It's like baby F-150s.
Yeah.
And I don't get the difference in the size. Some are bigger than others.
But we definitely need a regular size storage in the back, because what if one time we take Aubrey with us or something?
Yes.
We need to be
The
able to
extra
have
seats.
enough space back there.
Mhm. So definitely not looking at a single cab. And I don't
No.
want a double cab either. That's the single back seat, babe. Like
Is that what that
not
is?
The small
Oh,
ones
little,
back.
yeah. Mm-mm.
I had that. I liked it.
I don't know. Aubrey had a lot of room
He
back
was
there.
littler.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, I mean, and he had to sit sideways.
Oh, he did
Yeah,
have to
he
sit
was sitting sideways a
That's
little bit.
right,
Mhm.
because he's tall.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Look at this thing, E-Torque.
Where you see that at?
Right here, I don't even know what that is. Is it an electric truck? Is that what that means? Let's-
Maybe.
One way to find out, I think
Let's
we can
see.
kind of click this.
No,
Sounds
that's
gas.
fuel. Look how little that bed is.
Yeah, Deborah likes the big bed.
I do. I do.
Okay.
I think the little beds are kind
Now
of
see,
girly.
we're in this,
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit back here and look.
Oh, yeah, there's not.
And this is a
Also,
F.
this doesn't have good storage underneath.
No, babe, they really smoked in this one.
Oh.
This is, I mean, I'm like got a.
Oh, I
Yeah,
smell
you
it.
smell it?
I
They smoke.
don't like that smell.
They smoke big time in this one. They probably, when they trade these in, they probably get lots of points deducted for smoke.
Yeah, because that smell.
Yeah, matter of fact, that makes me think that other one wasn't really smoked in compared to that one.
Yeah, compared to that one.
I wish there was a F. Was that F-250? You said you saw. Oh, it had the
But it
single
didn't
seat.
have the. Yeah,
A lot of Dodge.
there really are. Why are there so many?
Here's another Ram. This
But
is
that's not a. That has a baby bed.
No, I was just kind of getting a
Oh.
glimpse at the screen or the
Oh.
interior. Let's see something. Did they all say e-torque? 'Cause I don't even know what that
Yeah,
means.
e-torque. Not this one.
That's my GMC Sierra.
Yeah, this is your
With the
Sierra.
little bed.
No, you had a big bed though.
No, this one's got a
Oh,
little
yeah.
bed.
This is a Silverado, which is the brother of
The GMC.
the yeah.
Yeah, so I'm not interested in necessarily looking at these. Not that I wouldn't buy this again. I just drove it already. I own it.
Yeah, you
so
already know.
I'm not
Yeah.
interested to check it out. I know what it's
This
all
one
about.
looks big. What is this?
What? Oh, that is the
What is
Chevy.
It's the Z.
This one I think is lifted a little bit.
Oh,
See
it
that?
is.
Yeah, see that?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah,
Look,
it
babe,
is.
the front windshield is tinted.
It's blacked out. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't even be able to use that. Oh, look.
Oh, here goes one.
A Denali.
Denali HD. This one looks lifted as well.
Oh.
And lifted, unlifted, I don't know what.
Yeah,
necessarily I'm
and
looking
see,
at.
like, I
6.6.
see the measurement
Ooh.
here.
I wonder if this is here. They need to get rid of it.
Yeah.
That one has the fifth wheel. It's ready for a fifth wheel.
But you see how high it is?
Mm-hmm.
Like,
And you can't even see what's in there. I say, babe, did I leave the lift? I'm
like, I don't know.
The lift blocks in the pickup. I don't know. Open that back door.
Oh.
It's locked. Locked. Babe, this
Oh,
might be
this one
sold.
might be
Or they
sold.
didn't clean it up maybe yet.
oh, it's not ready. Let me see on this side.
Yeah, I saw the lock actually from the thing.
Oh,
Mm-hmm. It's the price, 2022. It's a 2500, 61.
yeah.
So it's basically 62.
A 2500 Denali.
Can't see how many miles it's got. 44,000.
Yeah.
But I imagine it's sold. Look, it
Yeah.
says transfer location. Looks like it might have been transferred here. Yeah,
Oh.
it's not cleaned up. Maybe they parked it back here.
What is this one? This one looks big.
I'll have to turn this
That
around.
is a Silverado. Yeah.
Oh, this got the double cab, babe. The small back seat.
Oh.
And you can see what I'm talking about.
Oh, it is small.
Yeah. If an adult sits back there,
Their knees. Ooh,
You
they
gotta-
smoked in it.
you gotta kind of sit sideways. But you could carry somebody. I mean, someone could sit back there, but you don't want to do a long ride
No.
with somebody back there.
Mm-mm.
But basically, that's what I had. But I had the GMC Sierra, so this is exactly
That.
the truck
yeah.
that I had. But oh yeah, I had this. This wasn't fancy and push
Yeah.
button. I remember now.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this truck
They
stinks.
smoked in this one
This
too.
truck
What in the
stinks.
world? All right.
Wow.
Oh, look at that big white one. Oh, this is a girl truck, babe. Let's see. Oh,
Yeah, you know what? Look, the front seat is pushed up. It maybe was a girl driving.
I think
babe.
it was a girl truck.
Yeah, the front seat's kind of way up there.
Yeah. Oh
Babe, my
yeah.
wallet. You got my phone?
I have your phone.
got
I don't
my
know about your
wallet,
wallet.
Yeah, I think that was a girl or a little dude.
Oh yeah. It could have been a little dude.
All right, so I got a little disappointed. We really wanted to come check out some 250s and
Yeah.
and I keep thinking the Rams and the Fs, but I don't know what we're gonna do because I like CarMax. I came here a lot. I bought a lot of cars from here. It's just no hassle. You can go look at whatever you
Whatever you
want.
want. Yeah.
You could test drive. It sounds like I'm doing a commercial for them. You could test drive 2 cars a day, right? So you can. It's just great. Yeah, I never had a bad experience here. So, but now I don't want to go to a new dealership and have that pressure of the salesman just in your face, because I know I don't want to buy a new car anyway. So whatever
No.
the 2025 or 2026 has to offer, I'm not interested. I want to look at a 2024. I get 2 years old, 2023,
Yeah.
2022. So on my cars, I try to buy older and with under 20,000 miles. That's like my little personal standard. And let that first guy take the hit in the price.
Yeah.
And you can get the car and it still smells new, and you still can have bumper to bumper warranty if you buy it within that 3 years, 36,000 miles or whatever it is. So
Yeah.
anyway, I just got to come up with a new plan. I don't know. I got to do a lot of computer research
Yeah.
to see what's cool, what's not. I can get a car shipped here. Within the local, it'll be free if it's
Yeah.
like Cincinnati, Nashville, and just check it out. So come up with a plan. But the next step is we'll go to the show and maybe we can lock down what kind of trailer we want. We don't even know if it's a fifth wheel or a travel trailer.
Yeah. So maybe that will help us more
Yeah.
gauge our decision on the truck.
Maybe it'll be small enough I can ask the questions and we could get a 150. You know what I mean? And say, yeah, because it's so small, we don't need nothing that big.
Yeah.
But I was hoping to show more. The 3500 was I didn't like that at all.
I didn't either.
I
It
didn't
looked
like that at
cheesy.
all. I would never,
No.
I don't know if they all look like that, but I know I would never buy that.
Yeah.
No matter, you couldn't even get me to, I would never buy that no matter what the price is.
Yeah.
It was a good price though. All right, so
All right.
thanks for watching.
Thank y'all.
Hey, subscribe.
Yeah.
You know the deal, like, thumbs up.
And are y'all going to be going to the Hershey RV show?
Put it in the comments below.
Yeah. Oh, and don't forget to hit that, thumbs up.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Bye.